Assalamu alaikum everyone, Aksa Malik here. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome back in another video lecture on Lang and Parole. These both terms are given by a Swiss linguist, Ferdinand de Saussure, who is considered as the founder of modern linguistics and semiology. And he has done a lot of work on structuralism and post-structuralism. Actually, he never published any major work, but after his death, his students collected together his all lecture notes and published them with the title Course the Linguistic Journal. Now let's see that what he has discussed in these both terms. So the first one is lang, which means language. Basically, lang refers to all the rules and structure of a particular language, like the systematic rules of a language. We can say that a language's proper set of rule is lang, right? Which includes the grammar, syntax, phonology, morphology, semantics, etc. लैंग का बेसिकली मतलब ये होता है कि किसी भी लैंग्वेज के पर्टिकुलर जो रूल्स होते हैं, जो स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, जैसे कि जो हम लोग फोनेटिक्स, फोनोलॉजी, मार्फोलॉजी, सिंटेक्स में जितनी भी चीज़ें स्टडी करते हैं, कलेक्टिवली वी कैन से दैट इट्स लैंग, राइट. आफ्टर दैट हेयर्स रिटन दैट कम्युनिटी नॉलेज, इसका मतलब होता है कि लैंग कम्युनिटी की नॉलेज होती है, क्योंकि वी नो दैट रूल्स आर फिक्स्ड, राइट. जब रूल्स फिक्स हैं तो वो ऑब्वियसली एक पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज के जितने भी रूल्स हैं, जितना भी जो उसकी ग्रामर है, जो भी उसका जो सेंटेंसेस स्ट्रक्चर हैं, ऑब्वियसली दोस ऑल थिंग्स आर सेम फॉर एवरीवन, राइट. मतलब जो रूल्स होते हैं वो सबके लिए सेम होते हैं किसी भी लैंग्वेज के. दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट इट्स अ कम्युनिटी नॉलेज. And secondly, we can't change those rules. That's why I have written that can't be changed. Like lang, we can't change the lang easily, right? Because we can't change the rules of any language. Now, if we move to the second term, which is parole, it means speech or speaking. So we can say that the concrete use of lang is parole. Like when we use that language, that is called parole. Means we know that lang means rules, and when we use those rules practically, that is called parole. As here's written that it is the actual utterance. As now I am delivering a lecture to you, which is parole because I am speaking. So this is parole. I am using those rules. So this is parole. But before this, I have some sort of idea of English rules, principle, grammar, structure, right? Like I have read the rules, grammar, and principle of Urdu language, or suppose say English language, right? So those rules are called lang, right? And then the use of those rules is called parole. The next thing is individual knowledge or expression. So see, parole changes person to person, as like you speak differently than I do, right? Like you use the same structure of a particular language, but you use that differently. You use different intonation, you use a different kind of accent, right? Like maybe you use a different dialect as well, right? But you are using the dialect of the same language, राइट. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? लाइक जब हम बात कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की फॉर सपोज, या उर्दू लैंग्वेज की, सिंधी लैंग्वेज और एनी लैंग्वेज, किसी भी लैंग्वेज के अंदर वी नो के डायलेक्ट्स भी होते हैं. तो जब हम लोग लैंग की बात करते हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर स्टैंडर्ड रूल्स ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, राइट. उन रूल्स को हर एक इंसान डिफरेंटली यूज करता है, with different intonation, with different dialect, with different accent, right? Even though there is a difference in, in combining the words as well. So that difference is called parole, right? Because हर इंसान लैंग्वेज को डिफरेंटली यूज करता है, बट everyone follow the same rules, So, this is what we mean by individual knowledge or expression. In conclusion, we can say that lang means the rules of a particular language, and parole means the performance of those rules. So that's all for today's lecture. If you still have any question or query, you can ask in comment box. Thank you.